Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how I formulate my whitening body lotion with just 4 products, 4 ingredients. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give us all your support. Okay, thank you very much. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how I formulate my whitening body lotion with just 4 simple ingredients. In this recipe, you don't need to do so much. When it comes to body lotion, you don't need to pack too much ingredients into your body lotion to avoid skin reactions. I prefer to use a very strong soap. You know, soaps are wash off products, but when it comes to lotion, it should be mild on the skin. Okay, sorry about that. So I'll be introducing you to my ingredients, just few ingredients, and this lotion is going to give you a very good yellow undertone, a very good whitening complexion without no skin reaction or any problem. Okay, so I have my lotion here, this Elysia Light lotion. Either you use this Elysia Light or you use your Nature's Secret lotion. Any of the two, any one that you're able to lay your hands on, you can use it. Sometimes if I didn't see this, I go for this. If I didn't see this, I go for this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to formulate, how to combine them together. Okay, so the number one thing we have here is the lotion. Then I have my concentrate. This is one of the best whitening concentrate when it comes to whitening, when it comes to white undertone, yellow undertone. This is glutathione comprime. I'll be leaving the picture on the screen, either here or here, so don't worry. So you'll be needing this glutathione comprime. You'll be needing 20 ml of this. The body lotion, you'll be needing 1 Nature's Secret body lotion. You'll be needing your skin free milk, 30 ml of your skin free milk. You'll be needing your perfect leg for reaction. This is how it looks like, perfect leg stage 2 for reaction. Then you'll be needing your fair tube. This is your fair tube. You'll be needing it, just 30 ml as well. So that is all you need for this recipe. So how you're gonna mix this lotion is, when you get your clean bowl, make sure your bowl is well sanitized. Then you pour in your lotion, either this or this one, any of them. After you turn it into your clean bowl, you go in with your glutathione comprime, 30 ml of this, followed by skin free milk, 30 ml, followed by your fair tube, 30 ml. You mix them thoroughly, very well. Then you add your anti-reaction, which is your perfect leg. This one should be 20 ml. You measure it, you turn it into your mixing bowl. Mix very well. Make sure you mix. You can use your hand mixer or you use your spatula. Mix very well. After mixing, look for a clean container. Turn your formulation inside and tightly close it. Store it in a cool and dry place. Okay, then how to use this lotion? Use this lotion only at night. Okay, during the night time you apply the lotion. You can use it every day, but only at night. During the day you use your moisturizer. This lotion is going to give you up to 3 to 4 shades lighter. Okay, so that is